Welcome back to JNVST channel. In this video, we will discuss about 2020 Navodaya Entrance Class 6 paper. In this exam, there will be three types of tests: mental ability test, arithmetic test, language test. So total 3 sections. 1 to 40 questions is mental ability, arithmetic is 41 to 60, and language test is 61 to 80 questions. Let's start the questions. Section 1, Mental Ability Test Part 1. 3 figures are similar in some way and 1 figure is different. So we need to find different. If you see this in this square, here line is there, outside line, but in the square inside mark is there. So answer is A. Next question. 3 letters KIT, but here C is there. So answer is D. 90 degrees angle, 90 degrees angle, 90 degrees angle. But this is not a 90 degrees angle. So it will be different. B is the different. Answer B. Arrow is going outside in B. In the C, arrow is going outside. But D, arrow is going inside. So answer will be D. Part 2. Select the answer figure which is exactly the same. So exactly will be the same. If you see this, B is the same. Okay. Answer is B. Sixth one. If you see in the B section same, B option, and this is same. 2 circles, 2 dashes. Answer is B. 4 arrows. C also 4 arrows. Answer is C. If you know the answers, please put the comments. Same figure B. Because all are remaining are in the horizontal line is there, but B is the same figure. Part 3. So arrows is going outside and arrows is going outside. This will be there. So answer is B. Outside rings. So answer is D. Same here. It will be the reverse. Answer is D. If you see these lines, answer will be A. Part 4. 0. Next 0x. Third one 0x0. Then again it will come x. So you will see in this 0x 0x. Answer will be C. In this figure reverse and 2 x's. So here it will rotate and there will be 4 x's. Let's see 4 x's and this. Answer is C. Z is in anti-clockwise. Arrow anti-clockwise. So right side it will be arrow. Answer is B. This one triangle, rectangle, circle and arrow. This is a clockwise. Check the clockwise figure in these 4 options. Answer is B. Next question. Part 5. Similar relationship should exist between the third and the fourth question figure. So here answer is A. So here it will be opposite, then this will be opposite. See this? Answer is C. Outside triangle. The second option, inside triangle. So circle will go inside square. Answer will be B. 6 cross symbols. So on the left side and right side cross symbols. Same will be left side and right side cross symbols. Answer will be this one, C. Part 6. Find the figure on the right side that completes the geometrical figure. So if you see this, we need to attach the figure with the any option A, B, C, D. So triangle shape, if you see triangle shape should attach. D1. Answer will be D. So 1 and 2. Two triangles. So total 1, 2, 3. Answer will be B, and it should be in the dark here. Answer B. 23rd question. It should attach. So B will attach with this figure. Answer will be B. Next question. So it should attach. C will attach this. Answer C. Part 7. Exactly the mirror image. We need to find the exactly mirror image. So arrow with dark. Answer will be A. X equal to C and diagonal lines. So if it's reverse, it should come C reverse equal to circle and X. So diagonal. Answer will be D. Ink. If it reverse ink, so here K should be here, N and I in reverse. So N is not in reverse here. Answer will be B. Into plus minus divide. If it reverse, then answer will be C. So if it reverse, image multiplication will come here, plus will come here, and minus and divide should be the remain same. Part 8. Which indicates how the paper will appear when opened unfolded. So if it's unfolded, then answer will be A. Next question. So answer will be D. Pause the video and put the comments. Check this one. It should indicate paper will appear in opened, unfolded. Answer will be B. 32. Answer will be C. Part 9. Select the answer figure which can be formed from the cutout pieces. So if you attach this, then answer will be B. If you attach these two triangles and two rectangles, answer will be B. 35. 3 rectangles and 2 mini rectangles. So 3 rectangles and 2 mini rectangles is B. If you attach this and reverse it, then answer will be D. Part 10. Select the answer figure in which the question figure is hidden embedded. Then it should embed in the given options. Then answer will be D. Next question. It should embed. Answer will be B. So here inside small h and this one also inside small h. So it will cover in B. Answer B. It should remain as like A. The answer will be C. Section 2 arithmetic test. So in the given for only one will be correct answer. If the number B is 10% less than another number C and C is 5% more than 150, then B is equal to, simply do 150 into 10 by 100 into 5 by 100. Answer will be 141.75. If the number B is 10% less than another number C and C is 5% more than 150, then B is equal to. So answer will be 141.75. Answer D. Next question. The sum of HCF and LCM of 45, 60 and 75 is. So we need to do sum of HCF and LCM. Answer will be 915. Option C. The value of 0.9 divided bracket 0.3 into 0.3 is. So 0.3 into 0.3 is 0.09. So 0.9 divided by 0.09. Answer will be D. 10. Next question. What will be the difference between the greatest 6-digit number and the greatest 5-digit number? Answer D. What is the difference between the greatest 7-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number? If you know the answer, put the comment below. Answer will be D. Amit bought a table for 1200 rupees and spent 200 rupees on its repair. He sold it for 1680. His profit or loss percent is? He bought the table at 1200 and spent 200, so it will be 1400, and he sold it for 1680. So 1680 minus 1400. So how much percent? Answer will be 20% profit. 1200 plus 200, 1400. So 1680 minus 1400. So answer will be 280. Then 20% profit he got. 140.75 into 0.01 is equal to, if you multiply, then answer will be C, 1.4075. 1/4 of birds of a flock are at a river bank and 1/5 of that flock are in their nest. Remaining 22 birds are wandering in search of food. What is the number of birds which are in their nest? Answer D. Number of birds in the nest is 8. In how many years does the sum 1200 become 1800 at the rate of simple interest of 5% per annum? Means per year 5% interest, simple interest. Then how many years? Answer 10 years. Option A is the answer. 50th question. How many bricks will be required for a wall 8 meters long, 6 meters high and 22.5 centimeters thick? If each brick measures 25 centimeters into 11.25 centimeters into 6 centimeters. Calculate this one. Answer will be C, 6400. 51. If 15 minus 15 divided by 15 into 6 equal to x, then the value of x is? Calculate and you will get the answer is 9. Use the BODMAS rule. 52 question. 3 by 8 divided by 5 by 3 minus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 8 is equal to? After calculating this, answer will be C, 7 by 8. The value of x which makes the following statement true is? 3 7 by 11 into 11 by 5 divided by 3 by 7 into x equal to 4 by 3. Calculate it. Answer will be C, 7. 5% of 10% of 175 grams is equal to 5% of 10% of 175 grams is equal to, if you multiply, the answer will be 0.5 grams. Next question. Which of the following is not equal to 25? You divided 100 divided by 4, 25, 50 minus 25 is 25. 20 divided by 4 means 5, 20 plus 5, 25. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10 minus 5, 10 plus 10 plus 5, 25. So answer will be D, because 24 plus 2 into 1, 2, 24 plus 2 is 26. So it is not equal to 25. Answer will be D. Next question. A square and a rectangle have the same perimeter if the side of the square is 16 meters and the length of the rectangle is 18 meters. The breadth of the rectangle is? If you calculate it, the answer will be 17 meters D. A park is 1500 meters long and 750 meters wide. A cyclist has to take 4 rounds of this park. How much time will he take at the speed of 4.5 km per hour? Answer A, 40 hours. The prime factorization of 640 is 7 times of 2 and into 5. Answer will be D. 59. Find the approximate result of the following expression in whole numbers. Answer D. 190. We reached our destination at 2:45 p.m. after traveling for 4.5 hours. When did we start? We reached our destination at 2:45 within the traveling hours 4.5 hours. Then when we did start? Answer D. 8:15 a.m. Section 3 Language Test. So read the passage, pause the video and read the passage. So based on this passage you will get the questions and the answer will be from this passage. Read properly and provide the answers for the next questions. Which is not true about the firefighters? Answer: they never put their lives in danger. If you go to the back, see this and you will get the answer. Next question. A firefighter has to prepare to extinguish a fire in minutes, hours, days and weeks. Answer: minutes. Firefighters put their lives on the line means they stand in a line, they fight fire, they put their lives in danger, they connect the hose line to a hydrant. Answer: C. They put their lives in danger. To operate manually means to. Answer: work with their hands. The word occur means the same as. Answer B. Happen. Read the passage, pause the video and read this passage. Provide the answers based on the following questions. Hema lay on her bed because she was wondering what to wear. She couldn't wear any of her clothes because none of them fitted her. The synonym of the word amassing is. Answer: amassing synonym is collecting. Hema is charitable. Answer B. The opposite of the word donate is. So we need to find out donate opposite word. Answer: receive. Read the passage, pause the video and provide the answers for the following questions. It is important to dash if one wants to get real education. Answer: travel. Which one of the following words is a synonym of recreational? Answer: sightseeing. Visiting the dash centers was considered holy in ancient India. Answer: pilgrim. People have a feeling of oneness with others if they dash a lot. Answer: travel. A sage is a person who is. Answer: learned. Pause the video and read this passage. The main focus of the passage is to tell us the advantages of. Answer: keeping fit. When the writer says cycling is good for the environment, which of the following is not correct? Answer: it can be ridden by all age groups. The word which means the opposite of word sedentary is. Sedentary opposite word is active. A low impact exercise is one which is not tiring. Regular cycling helps us in all the following except to prevent serious accident. Thanks students. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment. All the best.